So there was 3 people sitting in the room together. Emily,
Louder!
2, and MJ, right? Those 3 are sitting together studying for, I don't know, exam or for college or something. And then out of the blue, Boss Man comes out of nowhere and give you guys a magical red button. And then he told you guys, do not press on this red button or else something bad would happen to you guys. Now, Emily here doesn't believe in superstitious stuff. He's like, you know what? I'm gonna press the red button. You know what? Alright, she pressed the red button. About, let's say 5, 6, 7, 8 years into the future, she has to marry the ugliest man on earth. The other, quite big, quite ugly. I'm not gonna describe because you guys are gonna throw up. And now, 2 being her close friend, she's like, alright, I'll press the red button with you. I got you. So she pressed the red button too. Now she has to marry the second ugliest guy in the world. Right? No, MJ was like, nah, you guys are, why are you guys pressing this red button? Boss Man told us not to do this, I'm not gonna do it. Now, 5, 6, 7, 8 years in the future, someone knocks on her door, and she's this really handsome, probably the most handsome guy she has ever saw in her life. She kneeled down and asked her for hand in marriage, and then she was like, wait, what? I never even met this guy. And the guy was like, oh, I have to marry you because I pressed the red button.
Oh.